In winter, this is the view from my home office, and while I love my neighbors, I really don't want to stare at them all day while I'm working, hence the privacy screen. During the summer, this is so lush and filled in, but in the winter, it's pretty sparse, and this actually gives a ton of privacy. Because it has a pretty stiff grid that it's on that's hangable in any way, I zip tied it, only 3 zip ties, and it held the whole thing in place for me. So I was super impressed with the quality and the durability and how much it was standing on its own. The leaves, I've had a couple fall off, but that's it in these high winds, and you really can't see through this thing. That's my favorite part. 1,200 leaves, ultra dense. It does block visibility far better than I thought it might, but it's also open enough that the wind can go through it as well. 3 minutes to install with these zip ties. I've got plenty more. If I need to put it up, I can take it back down, etc. You also can take the individual grids apart or cut them to size. So I feel like it's a super flexible solution. Each grid is 20 by 20 inches, and it has a ton of connection points, like at all the corners. So it literally can snap together at all these points. So if you don't want the rectangle and you want it to be a square, it would be very easy to take just a few sections apart and redo it, or disconnect it and have multiple squares or larger squares. Just the flexibility is really, really impressive with this. And here's a really good view of the difference. This was my fence before. You can clearly see through it, and after, really you can't. So if you do need privacy, or you really want this for like a really cool photo backdrop or something like that, it really does make an impact, and it couldn't be easier. So overall, it feels like a lush privacy. It's blocking unwanted views. It's adding some greenery, no maintenance, water resistant, ready for outdoor versatility. You could use it indoors as well. It's backed for durability, and it couldn't be easier to hang. If you want a dense solution that still lets the air through but blocks a view, I feel like this is a no-brainer. And as flexible it is, I think this is a perfect solution for renters or permanent installs, just depending on what you want, but it's gonna last a while, which I really like. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.